Hello students. So today the sheet which I have shared with you to write in your homework notebook how to solve this sheet, for that I am going to give you explanation. If you have already solved the sheet, please go through this explanation to just check whether you have done everything correct. Okay. So here is a bestimmt article chart in front of you, a nominative column, accusative column and the dative column. Yeah. The meaning of nominative, accusative and dative is already explained to you in the previous part. Yeah. So you can go in the bestimmt article topic. If you haven't revised it yet, you can go revise your nominative, accusative, dative concepts very clearly, and then you can come for solving the sheet. Now, in the nominative column and accusative column, children, only one thing is different, that is male article. Der changes into den. Otherwise, the whole nominative, accusative column, exactly it is similar to each other. Only the first article in both the columns are different. So you have to be cautious while writing the male article, okay, in the accusative form or nominative form. The third column which you see, all the articles we have to learn. DEM, M for mango, DER, in the dative column I am saying, DER, and in the neutral again DEM, M for mango, and in new plural DEN, N for number. So all these articles we need to apply in the sheet which is given further. Yeah. So in the sheet given further, they have already mentioned as a heading Schreiben Sie. Schreiben means to write. Schreiben Sie Nomen. So you are supposed to write the nomen im accusative. So you are going to write a noun is already given to you. For example, Bleistift, Tasche, Vater, Kind, Tante, Schriftstellerin, Componist, Book. All the vocabulary is given to you with their articles, the basic articles which will help you to know the gender also. So der, whenever it is der means it is male. Whenever it is die, it's a female. Whenever das, it's a neutral. So with the article you come to know what they expect you over here. You are supposed to write the noun once again in the blank, but this time you're going to write the noun with the accusative article over here. Okay, so Bleistift gender, whatever it is, it's given over there. Their Bleistift means the gender of Bleistift is male, and if the gender of Bleistift is male, so in accusative form den, because in the accusative column the male gender article is den, and for number. Okay, so you're going to write den Bleistift. Now I'll be telling you the meaning of each and every word over here. Bleistift means pencil. Tasche means. Now the word for means in German is bedeutet. So instead of saying the means word in English, I can say that also in German for you. So Bleistift bedeutet pencil. Tasche bedeutet bag. Vater bedeutet father. Mother, father, that father. Kind bedeutet child. Tante bedeutet auntie. Schriftstellerin, it's a female noun. It is used for the word writer or author. Female writer, female author. Componist means the one who composes. Book is book only. B-O-O-K in English. Pronunciation is same, only the spelling is different, kind of. So all over here the nouns I explained you. The genders you can identify with the help of the articles given over there. I already told you der is used for male, die is used for female. So they have given you the basic articles. Y'all are supposed to convert this nouns in accusative form. How? You just have to take a noun as it is. Yeah. But in the blank we are going to write article first. Den, den Bleistift, then die Tasche. So it will become, now in the accusative column female article is same as nominative. So the will remain the only. Again, whenever the male will come, the article will change into der, will change to den, and for number. Then Vater, das Kind will remain das Kind. Die Tante will remain die Tante. The Schriftstellerin will remain die Schriftstellerin. Der Komponist. So again a male has come, so you have to be careful, and it will change into den, and for number. Then Komponist. Das Buch will remain das Buch only. Yeah. So why the female and neutral article remains same? Because in nominative and accusative column, female, neutral and plural articles are exactly similar to each other. Only the male article changes, so you have to be careful while writing the male article in nominative and accusative column. Okay. Now coming back, going further to the next sheet, it's written about dative article. In the next sheet, we are supposed to write dative article. So here you can see noun, means nomen, im dative. So again they have given you nouns, they have given you the genders. How they have given you genders? In the form of articles. So you should be able to identify with the article. But this time in the blanks, the article of dative column will come because they have mentioned as a heading. So first, the meaning of all the words. Schwester bedeutet sister. Bruder bedeutet brother. Eltern bedeutet parents. Kuli bedeutet ballpen. Computer bedeutet computer. Spiel bedeutet game, G-A-M-E, game. Lehrerin bedeutet teacher. And Frau means or bedeutet lady, Mrs. Yeah, or Miss. This is called for the word Frau. Now we know the genders. According to the articles we can identify them. Now we are supposed to convert this into dative form. Yeah. So die Schwester, here in the blank, in the dative column, you have to observe. In the dative column, the female articles are what? So die will change into der, their Schwester, means R for rabbit. Their Bruder will change into dem, M for mango, dem Bruder. Die Eltern. Now die Eltern children, this is in the plural form. Parents, so it will change into den, and for number, then Eltern. Their Kuli, again a male, it will become dem, M for mango, dem Kuli. Der, their computer will change into, again it is a male, so dem, M for mango, dem computer. So all the articles we are writing from the dative column. So it's necessary to know the three columns perfectly. Das Spiel will change into dem, M for mango, dem Spiel. If you observed, male and neutral, the articles are same in the dative column, male and neutral. The Lehrerin will become der, R for rabbit, their Lehrerin. The Frau will become their Frau, because all these nouns we converted into dative nouns now with the help of the articles. Yeah. So you have to be very careful while writing the articles. Once you have visited this video, done this video, just put a like so that I know you have already watched the video. Okay.